The Premier League Player of the Season is an annual association football award presented to players in England, which recognises the most outstanding player in the Premier League each season. The recipient is chosen by a panel assembled by the league's sponsors consisting of members of football's governing bodies, the media and fans, and is announced in the second or third week of May. For sponsorship purposes, from 1994 to 2001 it was called the Carling Player of the Year, from 2001 to 2004 as the Barclaycard Player of the Year, and from 2004 to 2016 as the Barclays Player of the Season. Since the 2016-17 season, it is called the EA Sports Player of the Season. The Premier League was founded in 1992 when the clubs of the First Division left the Football League and established a new commercially independent league that negotiated its own broadcast and sponsorship agreements. The newly formed league had no sponsor for its inaugural season until Carling agreed to a 4-year £12 million deal that started the following season. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.